The modules bar is the bar here on the left side. So it has currently it has only 7 modules. So it has the products that can display the products. It has the save design. This allows to save a design or more design, and after that you can load them. See, if I click here, it just loads the save design. So for example, if I add some text and now I save it, see, I have it here, and when I click on them, it just rotates them. Okay, so the save design, we have the layers, which I already showed you in other video tutorials, that allows to see the actual layers. For example, I'll add the text and also add an image. So now if I go into layers, we'll see both of them here. So you can change the order if you want. All these options are customizable, so you can set them as you want. You can change the text here or also here if you want. You can hide it, show it. So this is the layer part, this is the text part, allows to add text. This is the images, allow to add images. This is the shapes, so there are a lot of shapes, predefined shapes here, and also the artwork, which allows to add multiple categories, each category is with its own type. This is animals, for example. It can be anything, and you can add as many as you want. So the layers, the modules can also be positioned differently. So now, right now I position it on left, but we can also set it at the bottom. See? So now we have it here, and if there is not enough space, it is scrollable. So this is also available on the vertical side, vertical position as well. So you can choose to position them either like this or as it was on the left. Yeah, there's also a feature here. If you notice now, when I click on the products, it toggles, so it hides and shows. We can disable it. For example, allow toggle, let's set this to false. And now when I click on the module, see, it doesn't hide. But I like it. I like the option to hide it, and also toggled. You can start with it visible or false. So if I set this to false, first time the product show, the modules will be disabled. So you have to click on it to see it. Yeah. And other than that, there are also some color optioning, but this is the main way it works. So yeah, this is the module section.